Okay, so this is where we had two big holes in the wall where the previous radiator was mounted. So now all we've got to do is get that smoothed off. So a bit of sanding, bit of filler, and we've got some other little bits. So this whole wall basically is pretty rough and ready. So some tools here, some basic stuff, so might as well go through it. Got a sponge block to wrap some sandpaper around. Got a cordless palm sander. As like a sanding pad that's the shape of a triangle. And you can get it in various different courses of thickness, so 80 being very coarse, 120 being like a medium, and you get like 240, which is like quite fine. It's quite fine. Then we've also got a wall and ceiling sander, and we can use that to do a lot of the bulk work at first, and quite handy because it attaches straight into a vacuum cleaner through the nozzle at the back there, and that'll clear up a lot of the mess first. Put a dust sheet down, and yeah, right, let's crack on with it, eh? Okay, so that was it. Filling, bit of sanding, bit of painting, back top floor. Probably gonna replace maybe this tile here and this one here, because we've got a small notch. Where the pipe came through, probably gonna replace them and box this corner in here so you can't see this pipe work. So I'm hoping to do some boxing in on these pipework here to hide that. Maybe I'll come out to, oh, I don't know, maybe halfway on here and box all that side in. I'm thinking so. Bring it to here, put the light switch on the front, make a feature out of it. I'm not too sure, like maybe a key cupboard and place to put the dog leads. I'm not too sure. Well, my next project is going to be dealing with this up here. So I got this wine rack and it fits up there ideally, but it just looks a bit naff. So I've went and located some woodwork, so some MDF that's been pre-painted in this colour, like end paneling and stuff like that, the same colour. And I can try and make something to enclose that, come up flush with the edge of the fridge here. And I think that will probably be my next project, possibly. Thanks for watching.